Hey everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Clear All Filters button right inside your Power BI report. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a handy button that lets users instantly reset all their slicers and filters, making their data exploration smoother and taking your report's interactivity up a notch. Whether you're building dashboards for your team or simply want to give your viewers a seamless experience, this is a Power BI trick you'll want to know. Let's dive right in. The method we're going to use is based on bookmarks because it's the most flexible and widely used approach in Power BI. Think of bookmarks almost like camera snapshots of your report. You can save not just what's on the page, but also the filter states, visuals, and more. So first up, open your report and head to the View tab at the top, and then open the Bookmarks pane. If you haven't used bookmarks before, don't worry, it's really straightforward. Now, before you capture your bookmark, you want to make sure your report page looks exactly as you want it to reset to. That means you'll need to manually clear or reset all your slicers and filters to their default states. For most folks, that's showing all options or specific default selections that make sense for your data. Once your page is all set, pop over to the Bookmarks pane and click Add. You'll see a new bookmark appear. Let's give it a friendly name like Reset Filters, just so it's obvious what it's for. Now there's one little gear icon or three-dot menu right next to your new bookmark. Click on that and make sure the Data option is checked. This is super important because data tells Power BI to remember which filters and slicers are active when the bookmark is triggered. You can also check Current Page if you only want the button to reset things on this page, and leave Display checked or unchecked based on whether you want the bookmark to control things like visibility of visuals. Next, let's make this user-friendly. Go to the Insert tab, click on Buttons, and you can choose a blank button or any shape that fits your report's vibe. Drag it onto your page, resize it, and put it somewhere your users will easily find. With the button selected, look over on the right side for the action toggle, switch it to On. For the action type, pick Bookmark, and then point it to that Reset Filters bookmark you just created. If you want to make the purpose extra crystal clear, go ahead and label your button with text like Clear All Filters, or even add an icon. A little personal touch goes a long way for user experience. Now take a breath because here comes the fun part. You can now click your button and voila, every slicer and filter resets exactly as you configured in the bookmark. It's that simple. This part might take a few tweaks as you fine-tune which filters you want to reset, so don't worry if you need to redo your bookmark a few times to get it just right. If your report has slicers synced across multiple pages, this technique gets even more useful. Thanks to Power BI's Sync Slicers feature, resetting filters on one page with your button can simultaneously clear them on other pages. So if you're building a multi-page dashboard and want a consistent filter reset experience, make sure your slicers are synced in advance. It saves a ton of hassle down the road. A quick note. While this bookmark method is super flexible, it does have a limitation. There's currently no Power BI feature that lets you clear all filters on all visuals programmatically without setting up a bookmark like we just did. So if anyone tells you there's a magic clear button somewhere in Power BI, now you know bookmarks are the standard way. Alright, that's all it takes. You've just learned how to add a Clear All Filters button that makes your reports easier and friendlier to use. If this tutorial helped, let me know by hitting that like button. Drop any questions or tips you have in the comments below. I love reading and responding to your feedback. And don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.